Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel in Programming Knowledge Prime. So in this previous session, we are discuss about the do while loop and the for loop. Nested do while loop and the for loop also. So in today's session, we will discuss about the while loop and the while statement. We will. So let's see. Let's start it. So so it is the basic structure of a while. Okay, and the while loop is also called the entry control loop because if you in the do while loop, okay, in the do while loop, the do while loop is called the exit control loop because after entering the loop, then at last the condition will check. But here at first the condition at the initial, after checking the condition, then the flow of control will enter this. In this reason, the while loop is called the entry control loop. Okay, I hope you understand it. Okay, so in the while loop we are doing many operations. Okay, so the that is while loop. uh, so after the while loop, suppose I can see you one example to understanding, for better understand. As includes. So what is the output? Let's check it out. Control A, control C, then control B. Okay, after compile it, then what is the output? So it is the output. Or I use a escape sequence for better understand. It takes some time. Okay, so it is out. So what is the output? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it means that what I will do. Okay, so if you all are known that it is called the preprocessor directive, which expand the source code, which is the code. This is the code, and this code is also called the object code. Okay, .obj file. Okay, so include str.ioh. It is called the header file. Okay, which consists all type of input output function, basic input output functions. The full form of this header file is a standard input output device. Okay, so after that there is a int main. The main is a most important function because the execution of the program is starting from the main function. If you write the more than one main function, so the compiler will confuse. Okay, then the underline compiler will confuse it. Okay, so after this we are starting with close opening brace. After this is the data type. Okay, so because I is a variable which is store only the integer data type, data values. Okay, so after we write then while loop, uh, if you see here, uh, sorry, so then what is the condition? I is always less than equal to 9. Okay, so after that we will print this value I, then increment in. Oh, it is a post increment operator, so increment 1 by 1. Okay, so then the return statement, because here I write the int, so the underline compiler will always return, it is user responsibility to return the integer value to the underline compiler. So that's the program. It is a very simple program to all of you. Okay, so that is enough for the while loop, and there is a lot of applications in while loop, but please we will learn one by one. So that is enough for the while loop. So after the while loop, we are go to the uh, go to statement. Means go to statement. So what is the go to statement? The go to statement is used to transfer the control from one place to the another place in our program. Okay. So the I repeat what I can say. So the go to statement is used to transfer the control from the one place to the another place. So what is the basic structure of a go to statement? The go to name, or you can say label. Okay, label, then terminating semicolon, after that the label. So what is this? It means that here the goto, when you use, because goto is a keyword. Okay, so goto is a keyword statement. Okay, so goto is a keyword. So goto is a keyword. It is used to transfer the control from one place to the another place in our program. I can say this. So where you can go to is used. Suppose if you are skip a statement, skipping purpose, you use this go to statement. But there are some restriction to use this go to statement. So because go to the programmer, okay, the programmer, it is very difficult to trace. It is very difficult to trace the flow of control when you can use this go to statement, and it is used to hard debugging and testing problem. Okay, so when you can use the go to statement, so the programmer, it is hard to understand by a programmer. So how the flow of control of this program, it is difficult to understand a programmer the flow of control, or the flow of control of the program. Okay, and it is hard to understand the debugging and testing, and it is difficult to debugging and testing problem. It is less readability. It makes go to statement make your program less ready readability, less readability. Okay, I hope you understand. Suppose if you use the go to statement in this program, go to go to name. So what do we do? So when the flow of control entering this loop, I will replace it in this position. You understand better. Okay. So what will be done? It means if you print it after compiling, you run the program. Nothing done. Nothing will be printed. So why? What is the reason? Because when the flow of control entered this loop, while loop, when the underline compiler see this go to statement, it will immediately transfer the control from this place to the this place. Okay. So after this place, if you print a in the here, so it means when the underline compiler see this go to statement, it will immediately transfer the control from this place. If you notice my mouse pointer, from this place to this place. Okay. So using the go to statement, you can transfer the control from any place to the another place, from the one place to the another place in our program. But there is some restriction to use the Goto student because it is make your program less readable. There is some problem to debugging and testing problem are happening if you use the Goto statement. Okay, so the programmer is difficult to understand what is the flow of control of this of your program. Okay. uh, uh, so in these some reasons, the for these some reasons, the Goto statement are usage of the Goto statements are decreasing day by day. Okay, so let's stop here. Okay, so I hope you understand my what today's session. So if you are any query about this session, please comment me in the comment section. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and please subscribe me, so it will motivate me to make more videos in this topic. Okay, so in the so thank you to all of you.